Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm in the BMW 1 Series, the 130i, and I'm hoping today is going to be a very quick video. Basically, my rear wiper washer jet is not working. It's not firing any water out, and yeah, basically I want to fix that today. I want to do some investigating and try and find out what the problem is. Now, I know the washer pump is good because I can hear it when I push the wiper stalk, when I go to activate the rear washer jet. I can hear it activating, but there's obviously just no water coming out. But I'll show you anyway. I'll show you what I mean, and then hopefully we can try and see what's going on. Okay then, so pop the key in the ignition, turn the ignition on, and then we will do the front washer jets. As we can see, they both appear to be working. Then we'll go ahead and try and activate the rear washer jet, which obviously you just have to push this away from us. Obviously the rear wiper's going, but no water came out. I'll just go and push it again. As you can see, no water is coming out. It kind of seems like it's struggling, like it's not, like when you do the front ones, you can obviously just hold it down. So that must mean it has a clear pipeway, but when I go to do the rear, like if I hold it down, it just stops. I don't know if it's meant to be like that. Is it just meant to be in little bursts like that, or what? I don't know, maybe we have a slight blockage, so I think I'll do a little bit of investigating at the rear, and we'll see if our problem lies there. Okay then, so we're at the rear washer jet now, and already you can kind of see in there the nut that holds the wiper arm on kind of looks pretty rusty, so I think we may just have a valve that's kind of stuck, or maybe just a little bit blocked. Now right now my money is on this little valve being blocked up. It only has a very tiny jet on it, and I'm guessing this could get pretty blocked up with dirt fairly easily. So what I'm going to do is try and remove this, if you can just remove it, and then try the washer jet again and see if any water comes out. And obviously if it does, then we know this is our culprit. We know this is blocked then. So let's get something suitable and try and pull that out. We can actually move this out of the way as well. Yeah, that just comes off like so. I don't really want to damage this. I'm going to try not to dig into it too hard, but I have some pliers here. Let's see if this thing pulls out. Oh, okay. So the plastic part came out. Was the rest of it not supposed to come out? I don't know if the rest of this was supposed to come out or not, but obviously we have this part removed now. So I think what we'll do is we'll try the washer jets and see if we have anything coming out of there. Wish me luck. Okay, so I did definitely see something then. Kind of looked like it wasn't coming out smoothly, kind of looked like kind of spluttered. At least we have some water coming out of there now, which obviously before we didn't have any. So yeah, I'm guessing it is just a build-up of dirt. So I think I'm going to try and clean inside of there, maybe with some WD-40 or something, and see if we can get that completely clean, and then we'll clean the valve itself as well. Okay, so we have our trusty WD-40. Just going to spray like hell in here. Put this here just to catch any excess. We are getting some dirt coming out of here, which is good. So that's unblocked this then. We know that works well now. All we need to do is unblock this little plastic valve. I'll probably do that in some hot soapy water and then reinsert it and then hope it works as it should. Okay, so I've gave this valve a good clean out with some hot soapy water, and I gave it a good blow through as well. So now all I need to do is reinstall it. And obviously I need to make sure it's pointing in the correct direction, which is just in line with the center of the wiper arm, and it should just push in. There we go, it looks good. And I can just reinstall our cap. It just slots in like that. And now all we need to do is just test that the entire thing works as it should. And as we can see, it now works perfectly as it should. Okay then, so another fix done on this car, and it just goes to show that you don't always need to spend money to fix the problems that you have. In our case today, all we needed was a little bit of WD-40 and some hot soapy water. And if your rear washer jet is not working as it should, but the pump is, then it more than likely is just a blockage. Either a blockage or a pipe has came off from somewhere. But if you do go to try your washer jets, you can hear the pump working, then like I said, it's more than likely going to be a blockage at the rear. So if you do have this problem yourself, just take the rear valve out, you know, give the whole area a good clean, give the valve itself a good clean, and then you should pretty much be good to go. I hope this video has been somewhat helpful. I hope you have enjoyed it. Please give it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already done so, because I've got a lot more videos like this to come, and I will see you in that next one. Peace.